welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to connect your Roku remote app to TV. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply download or install your Roku mobile app on your iOS or your Android. So once you simply download it, you need to now tap on your Roku app. So once you tap it open, you will have to now hit the continue button. After doing this, you need to now simply give your access to your Roku app. And now you need to simply get signed in into your account or simply get access as a guest. So after doing this, to connect your Roku remote app to TV, all you need to do is simply ensure both your phone and your Roku device are on the same Wi-Fi network. After this, simply you can connect your app to your Roku streaming device, and after you do this, you can use your Roku remote app to control your TV. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.